Hi guys, look at I have. This is from Kunkletown. So my dad let me to use it, so I don't know why it being at the Kunkletown house, so it looks like that. I'm really sorry. And this is the time, not set. This is a whole microwave. And it has with numbers on it. I don't know these buttons mean. And that's another microwave over there to bead. And actually it's on the chair and it's plugged in. So this is actually good. And you have to press this button. And you can cook your food. So you can hit cook time. Oh, I have to pee. You have to set these. And this is the stop button. Oh, ooh. Here this. That's how you do it, guys. I'm gonna keep it for 3 months. I'm gonna buy another microwave to ring. Oh, this is crazy. I have to pee. That's how a microwave works. You have to heat it up. So, oh.